eisiau rhywbeth, wanting something. Now this word eisiau, there are very different ways of saying it, and they eisiau Moyn. Has anyone heard of Moyn? Wedi clywed am Moyn? Moyn, yeah, Philip? Dwi moyn rhywbeth, dwi eisiau, eisiau. Yeah, any variations on that? Eisiau. Yn y gogledd, wrth gwrs, dwi isio. Dwi isio. And they flow into one. I think someone earlier was saying, you know, do we pronounce every word as they are written? Well, weithiau, mae'n a rhythm. They just flow into one. Dwi isio, dwi eisiau. Question. Dych chi eisiau? Dych chi isio? Doesn't matter if there are variations. I think we know what we want. Eisiau. Notice there's no little n before it either. Not dwi'n eisiau fel rheol, rule. No little n in front of eisiau, dwi eisiau. Beth dych chi eisiau? Beth dych chi eisiau? Nawr te, oes. You're in a restaurant maybe. Oes gwin coch gyda chi. Os dyn ni'n cyfieithu, if we translate, is there, in the South Wales version, is there red wine with you? Right? Oes gwin coch gyda chi. Yn y gogledd, oes gynnoch chi. That system or that phrasing is more similar to the English, isn't it? Do you have? Oes gynnoch chi. But oes gynnoch chi yn y gogledd, oes something gyda chi. Ar yes? Oes. Ar na? Nac oes yn anffodus. Nawr te, ga fi fenthyg. Gai fenthyg. We've dropped the F in the gogledd. Gai. Can I? May I borrow? Can I have? May I borrow? Notice ar ôl ga fi, there's a little soft mutation there. Gai fenthyg. It's easier to say actually, mae'n haws yn dydi. Gai fenthyg. And yr un peth yn y gogledd, may I borrow, can I have? Oh, another yes, no. Cewch and na chewch. Cewch, na chewch. If you want to avoid them, there is a way out. Gyda iawn, yeah, ga fi, win coch, ga fi, ginio, iawn, dim wrth gwrs, and dim problem. What about the one with the rabbits? Mae'n dibynnu, of course, no problem. Felly, dwi eisiau, I'm sure we can use this one quite a lot. Os dyn ni'n mynd i'r, os ydrychwch chi nawr ar y bwydlen, bwydlen, Hwb Bach. This is the menu, y bwydlen. How do we ask for the menu when we go for a meal, cael pryd o fwyd mewn caffi? Gafi'r fwydlen. Can we have the menu? Da iawn, gafi'r fwydlen. Nawr ten, fi sy'n gweini, I'm serving. Da chi wedi edrych ar y fwydlen? Have you all had a little look on the fwydlen? Nawr ten, beth sydd gyda ni? I ddechrau, nawr ten, Louise Angela, i ddechrau, to start. Gai helpu chi? That's what they'd say, wasn't it? Gai helpu chi? May I help you? I ddechrau?
Gafi cawl os gwelwch yna.
Cawl, gafi. Remember there's a soft mutation after gafi cawl. But not to worry about it, gafi cawl, it's still the same soup. Right, gafi cawl, dim problem. Angela?
Gafi felen os gwelwch yna.
Melon, yeah. Oh, nawr te, melon, gair Saesneg, gafi melon, dim problem fan'na, gafi melon. Neis iawn. Nawr te, John, prif gwrs, main meal.
Oh.
Gai helpu chi? May I help you?
Gafi cigaidion.
Cigaidion.
Peint o gwrw.
A peint o gwrw, dim problem o gwbl. Da iawn. I didn't even have to ask if you wanted anything to drink, did I? Now, peint o gwrw, dim problem. Marie, gai helpu chi?
Ga I cigoen a llysiau.
Cigoen a llysiau.
Potel o gwyn coch.
O, potel o... Potel?
Potel.
Now then.
Un gwydr.
Potel, yeah. Un gwydr. We're not sharing here. Does neb yn rhannu. Wow, dyma ni ten. Moving on swiftly. Nawr ten. Gai helpu chi, Philip?
Pa fath o gawl?
Pa fath o gawl? Nawr ten. Cawl llysiau.
Oh, da iawn.
Iawn, cawl. Iawn, cawl. Nawr ten. Holly, gai helpu chi?
Gaf I cigaidion.
Gaf I cigaidion. Yeah, dim problem. Cigaidion. Nawr te, Philip, I bwdyn?
Wel, cigaidion ar y prif gwrs.
Ie.
I bwdyn salad ffrwythau ffres.
Salad ffrwythau ffres. Dim problem. Now then, of course, after that, what do you ask for at the end of the evening?
Oh.
Gafir Bill, os gwelwch yn dda. Or maybe some of you don't. Would like to. Gafi'r Bill, os gwelwch yn dda. And the yes?
Oes?
Cewch, yes. And the no? Na chewch, dim problem. Nawr te, ymarfer, gafi. We use it such a lot, do we? Gafi. And sometimes it works for the statement and the question. Gafi, I will have, rather than the question. Gafi, may I have? So it's just the intonation again for a question. Originally, there was a ve gafi, but we shouldn't worry too much about that now. So the question, all we need to know now is the question and the statement can sound exactly the same. Can I have? May I have? Iawn? Dim problem. Now te, everybody's asking for everything. We have a little sketch now just to prove a point. Gafi, somebody asking, have we all got, os plant gyda chi, os teulu gyda chi? Yeah? So dyn ni when clywed nhw, gafi, mam, dad, gafi. Right, gai fenthyg, may I borrow? So, now te, Philip dwi'n meddwl I chwarae rhan dad. A Angela I chwarae rhan Efa. Nawr te, dewch allan yn fan hyn, mae'n haws dwi'n meddwl. I ni gael gweld, a dwi'n cael eistedd I lawr. OK. Nawr te, gallwn ni dilyn y sgriptiau, iawn? Dim problem? Right.
Dad, mae Alan yn y ffôn.
Angela, beth mae Eisiau?
Mae eisiau mynd â fi Gaerdydd am bryd o fwyd. Mae'n wedi archebau bwydd I ddau yn Angelinos.
Nice iawn?
Dad,
Ie.
gaf I fenddyg arian os gwelwch yn dda.
Benthyg arian? Pam?
Wel, dwi eisiau prynu par o sgidiau newydd.
Faint ydyn nhw?
O, 50 pint.
Faint?
Dad, mae nhw'n fargen.
Gawn ni weld.
Dad,
Ie, beth nawr?
gaf I fenddyg I car.
Dim gobaith caneri. Da iawn.
Gareth! Drws!
Dwi yn yr ystafell molchi, Ceri.
Clive, shmai?
Siamai, Ceri. Ych chi'n mynd i'r parti?
Ydyn?
Gai lift, please?
Iawn, dim problem. O, mae Gareth yn ystafell molchi.
Gai fenthyg 2 bin, please?
2 punt?
Am y taxi.
Iawn, dim problem.
Diolch.
Iawn?
Ceri,
Ie, Clive?
gai fenthyg 10 pin, please? I fynd i'r parti?
Benthyg, reit?
Wrth gwrs. Benthyg.
Iawn.
Diolch.
Gareth!
Ia?
Mae Clive yma.
Be mae eisiau?
Mae fe eisiau lift i'r parti.
Croeso!
A mae fe eisiau benthyg 10 punt.
10 pint?